How to update your PicCollage app. So if you are experiencing a lot of problems with your PicCollage app, or if you're not getting the latest features that come with PicCollage app, then the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and update it to the latest version. Now to do so, it is quite simple. If you are using an Android smartphone, you'll need to access your Play Store. But if you are using an iPhone, then you'll need to access your App Store. For my case, I'm using an Android smartphone, and therefore I'll update it through Google Play Store. So proceed and tap on Play Store, and you can see mine is here. And then under search, just search for your app like that. And now you can see we have our PicCollage app here. Go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, we have two functions here, app, and we have the other one called open. Now, if you're not using the latest version of PicCollage app, it will be written here, update. Proceed from here and start updating your app. This will go ahead and install the latest version of the app and then install it on your Android smartphone. Once it is installed, now you'll be able to tap on open, and then you will now start using the latest version of PicCollage app. So that's how you update your PicCollage app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.